In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 things I love about the Samsung Galaxy A56. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the Galaxy A56 5G right here. And I have to say, overall, I really enjoy this device. But over the last month, I have found some things that really shine about this device. And I'm going to share those things with you in this video. First and foremost, one of the best experiences I've had with speakers on a mid-range phone has been with the Galaxy A56. We have some very, very loud, vibrant, and premium speakers on this device. It's not going to show you any sort of justice if I show you the speakers right now, but very, very loud speakers on here. But let's go ahead and show you a little bit of what it sounds like. So yeah, solid speakers on this device, very crisp. We have some very nice bass on this as well, and I've been impressed with these speakers overall, especially when I'm gaming on this device. It's really easy to block that bottom speaker, so it's always nice to have that little comfort up there where we use the headset for a second speaker. So absolutely grateful for that second speaker, Samsung. Second thing has to be the design of this phone, and I just can't get over how beautiful this looks. I don't care what you say, this looks better than the Galaxy A55. I really do like the premium build on this device. I like the camera placement. I like everything about it. It really looks like a flagship device, to be quite honest. We have a glass back. We have that aluminum frame right there that just looks beautiful. It looks like rose gold on this pink phone right here. But yeah, overall, really do like that. We also have Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on here, IP67 rating. We have some really good stuff that has to do with this design, and it also just looks good overall. Next thing I just can't get over about this phone has to be that we have Android 15 7.0, but we're also going to have 6 years of operating system updates. That's just something that is crazy to think about. We're going to go all the way up to Android 21 on this device. So this is definitely like a future-proof device. If you want a device that has a good upgrade policy, the A56 is going to be there for you. And it feels like they're going to be able to handle the updates as well, because we have some pretty good specifications inside of here. But yeah, overall, definitely a great update policy and something that you're probably not going to get from like Motorola or any other provider out there other than like Google. Next thing I really wasn't expecting has to be that we have some really good performance first and foremost with that Exynos 1580. We have some good performance in daily use as well. It really feels like a flagship device. I feel like there's a fine line between flagship and mid-range when it comes to the performance of like just opening windows and, you know, going through Instagram and watching Netflix and YouTube and stuff like that, just going on social media, maybe playing a few games. I really don't find too many differences between this performance and say my Galaxy S25 Plus, to be quite honest. I feel like this offers good enough performance for the majority of people out there. And the biggest thing that I've noticed about this phone compared to many other mid-range devices out there, and even previous Samsung A50 series devices or A70 series devices, is that this is really good for gaming. I mean, the back of this phone does not heat up at all. I played for like an hour, 2 hours on Call of Duty. This phone didn't heat up. It may have got a tiny bit warm, but this has not heated up or gotten hot like some other devices. So for sure, a good gaming device. So definitely some great thermals in this device. I really, really do like that. It hasn't gotten hot. Absolutely love it. And last but not least, of course, the big bright display on this device. We have 1900 nits peak brightness on here, so it's going to be a decent device to view outside. I can't say the same about the Galaxy A26. Also, we have HDR10 Plus support, and of course, a 120 Hz refresh rate on here, which isn't anything new. There's many mid-range devices out there that have that. But overall, the display on this is really nice. I feel like it's a solid display, very, very high peak brightness. Comparative to some other devices out there, other than the Motorola Edge 2025, that just is insane. But yeah, the brightness on this device is solid, HDR10 Plus. I just like this display overall. Super AMOLED, it looks beautiful. So if you guys are watching Netflix, YouTube, playing video games, it's going to look big, beautiful, and of course vibrant in all aspects. So That's definitely something I really enjoyed about this phone. So yeah guys, those were the 5 things I loved about the Galaxy A56 in my time of using it. If you guys have some things that you love about this device, let them be known in the comment section down below. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.